Hello, wellness people. I'm back like I never left. As promised, I'm going to cook jollof rice with homemade tomato paste. Start by blending 3 bell peppers, 2 tomatoes, 4 to 5 habaneros, and 1 onion. Blend the mixture and boil it in a pot for 20 minutes on medium heat. Next, you will need chicken stock. Jollof rice without stock won't be as flavorful. I always keep stock in the freezer. It gives jollof rice a more rich and rich taste. When frozen, the fat coagulates. You just cut it off, leave the stock to thaw before boiling it for 3 minutes. Chicken stock is rich in nutrients like collagen, amino acid, and minerals that support joint, gut, and immune system. The pepper mixture is now boiled and ready for the next step. Place a pot on medium heat. Add 2 ladle spoonful of coconut oil, organic or refined coconut oil, and the very important ingredient of the day, homemade tomato paste. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Look at that sizzling, awesome, gorgeous mixture without sugar and preservative. Just pure goodness. Then pour in the boiled pepper mix, cover the pot and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Add the seasoning of your choice. Here I use Adobo seasoning, organic fajita seasoning blend, or Reba. Mixed herbs. I use Adobo because it contains no additives, no monosodium glutamate known as MSG, no artificial colors, no high sodium levels, no sugar, no high fructose corn syrup. All these can pose potential dangers depending on their type, quantity, and individual sensitivities. Now, wash 4 cups of low glycemic index basmati rice. Low glycemic refers to foods that cause a slow, steady rise in blood sugar after eating. These foods break down slowly, preventing large spikes in blood sugar levels. Eating low glycemic foods is beneficial for managing blood sugar, especially for people with diabetes. Add the rice to the sauce, stir. Add almost half of the chicken stock. You have to use your judgment here. Cover on the medium heat. Stir occasionally to avoid burning as the rice cooks. Taste for desired texture and seasoning. I'm going to add the rest of the stock here. Stir and cover for final steaming. There you go. Jollof rice with the VIP ingredients. Homemade tomato paste. Hariba riba. I like to serve my jollof rice with stir fry. So I'm going to wash my vegetables with baking soda and vinegar to remove all the enemy of progress, pesticide, coating, and harmful preservatives. Next, I'm going to cut 3 cloves of garlic, 3 habaneros, sweet peppers, bell peppers, spring onions, and 1 onion. Then place a saucepan on medium heat. Add 2 ladle spoonful of coconut oil, organic. Then go in with garlic. Garlic activates antioxidants, which fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Then add onions and the colorful sisters, the peppers, and stir fry for 3 minutes. The colorful peppers are rich in vitamins A and C, boosting immune functions and promoting healthy skin and eyes. Add diced gizzard and cook for 1 minute. Season with liquid aminos, then finish with spring onions. Liquid aminos provide essential amino acid, which are building block for protein, helping muscles to repair, immune function, and overall health. Also low in sodium, gluten-free as well. I'm serving this with air-fried steak and dodo. Presentation is not my strong suit at all. I want to post a question out there. Put your answer in the comment section. What is the common ingredient I did not use? I want to say massive thank you to all of you for the subscription, thumbs up, like, and comment. God bless you. Happy cooking.